Well, I mean, first blacksmith video, y'all probably didn't know I'm a blacksmith, but most of y'all got to school now. My blacksmith shop, Tracy O'Mara shop. It's a little shit, you know. But, I mean, blacksmith, forge, you know, forge got it going. Uses coal. Regular, coal. This ain't charcoal, it's coal. But anyways, got myself a little anvil. I got a railroad spike. I got this railroad spike at garage sale. Grandpa got it for me. Anyways, I'm gonna make a tomahawk out of it. Figure out a new way to drift the eyes. This thing, I've had it for a while. I actually got it at the same place I got the spike from, but I'm gonna take this. You'll see how to do it. I'm gonna take this, heat it up, and then when I heat it up, it'll get real hot, and I'll just show y'all here in a sec. But we'll just put it right here in the coals. Y'all probably should not take it, put it right in the coals. Put your hand in the coals, but I mean, it don't hurt me.
You just...
I got calluses, thank you. Anyway, you got to wait for that to heat up, and then we'll take the spike, which is one of these here. This is just a different one. The other one's on the forge. We'll take this, draw this to about right here, take it just right here, take it on the tongs, hold it while it's here, and hammer it on this way. This will end up being right around here or so. That'll get enough metal right here to draw our blade out, and then we'll draw our head out. I ain't got one of my other ones in here. Anyways, this will end up drawing the head. Put enough material over here so I can draw the head out, and then the head will be big enough to where you could actually chop things with it. And then what we'll end up doing, we'll take this, the heck, I don't know what it's called right now. Anyways, we'll take this and do that, put it through it while it's hot, and while it's hot, put it through it, form it, and while it's forming, that'll be our eye hole. Anyways, let's just get this going. Check the steel real quick. Still ain't near hot enough. See, most of this, like this thing, I've made. That's just to squirt around scoot around the holes to where I want them to be. Also, just for looks, kind of put a twist in it. But I may forge that out into a bar like this. I mean, you can't always use your hand for hot coals. You're gonna get burnt.
Hey Luke, tell them 5 facts that you need to know before you get to be a blacksmith.
You're gonna get burnt. You're gonna have blisters. You gotta know how to swing a hammer right.
And you're gonna get dirty.
You're gonna get dirty. Very true. And I mean, if you're wanting to really get into it, I mean, me and my grandpa and one of his hired hands kind of, you know, made this deal by scraps. I mean, we didn't have to pay for any of this. I mean, it's stuff we already have. I mean, y'all see how hot that's getting, and what we're gonna do in the first place. We're gonna take this metal right here, take it, hammer it out. Y'all see how it kind of get flatter? We'll take that, flatten it out. Get some more material up to where the head's going to be. And once we get the material up to where the head's going to be, just pull that over here. But anyway, once we get the material to where the head's going to be, it'll get us enough material to where we can put that back in the forge. Anyways, once you get enough material to where the head's gonna be, you'll start drawing out your
guys,
legs.
we have surprising things. A chicken has laying eggs.
Yeah, chicken
in our
decided
hole.
to lay eggs right about here where my little scoop is. She decided to start laying some eggs in there. Sadly, she's gonna have to move her nest to over there because I gotta kind of dip coal in order to get a fire going, you know. Here we go. It's right in the right place, and what we're gonna do now is quench. We're gonna do that. But anyway, we're gonna quench. So they're into it. Maybe we won't because we're running on limited heat here. We're just hammer it on the anvil. Yep.
Damn, Daniel.
Daniel, I'm sorry. My little brother hates you. I mean, you can come beat him up later, or if you want me to, I can do it for you. Well, since we freaking dropped it, we'll have to put it back into the heat. This is going to be a long video. You might have to make it in parts. Let's still record, Trey?
Yeah. I got 4 more minutes.
What?
I got 4 more minutes till 10.
We'll just put that in for another heat. So you can also use your tongs as well. I also have a big old pair of tongs. Now I'm gonna ask y'all guys questions. I got these pair of tongs. Where's my other pair? Trey, do you know?
How can a blacksmith lose his tongs?
Hey, shut your up. I have this pair of tongs, itty bitty, and this pair of tongs, huge. This one was about $30–40. This one we got at a garage sale for $5. Actually, no, it was marked for $5. We got it for $3. Yeah, don't ask me how that is, but I guess we just got lucky. Yeah, I made this pair of tongs.
So, guys, if you want to send him like any fan mail, even though he has
I ain't showing them mine.
2 subscribers, even though he has 2 subscribers, subscribe.